Hello friends, astrologer Mohnish here, and thank you for watching my videos on Vedic astrology and financial astrology. In this video, I'll cover Elon Musk chart and Donald Trump chart just to show you what they both are going to bring to United States economy. Very important video, watch to the full, and I will also put chapters in the topics so that you can jump into one topic to another topic if you would like to. The second part of this video, I'll show you how to use our VIP trading indicators and do a put options. So when you write a put options, how you write it, what should be in your mind, how the practically it's been possible, trade goes in your favor or against your favor, how you still be a winner and make money. So again, if you're new to my channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon so you don't miss out any notification. But if you are already following me or my channel, then you know that how much power, how much dedication, how much devotion I bring to the subject of astrology and also financial trading, using the astrology as one of the pillar of strength to give you the returns on your investments. Now, first thing first, Donald Trump won. We know that. In the last video I mentioned he's the 47th president of United States, means number 11. 11 is a game changer, transformation. And you can watch that video. I'll put also the videos in the description below of all other videos from last 1.5 years I predicted about Donald Trump. His victory was inevitable. It was destined to happen, and it happened. So now let's see what is about to come in the future. The reason is Donald Trump is not alone in this time. In this tenure of his presidency, he is bringing one more powerful, gigantic business owner and most innovative person of our era, Elon Musk. They both are game changer. They both are game changer, and how I'm going to show you in both of their chart so that you understand from astrology perspective what to about to come. So first thing first, I'm going to change my window and show you the chart of Elon Musk here on my screen here. You can see Elon Musk. So let's start with the chart of Elon Musk here. I'm going to share my screen and you see this is the chart of Elon Musk. 28th of June 1971, Pretoria, and is in South Africa. So you see here's a very strong Gemini ascendant, and Gemini is all about driven by Mercury. You see that Mercury become the prime minister or the president of his chart, which is showing that his own brand is driven by his entrepreneur skill. Mercury is aspecting 7th house of business entrepreneur. Rahu sitting in here shows his passion and his excitement in leading multiple businesses and being an entrepreneur. Strong IQ because Mercury sits in first house. So his own ascendant body lord, Mercury, sits in his first house, shows that he is a person who will be known by his own branding, by his own name. So very strong combination. And I won't go much in the details, but I want to show you many things about his chart, which is very striking. One is this is the house of his karma. Okay, karma means his career, his growth, where it will come from. This is ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter sitting in 5th house in the cuspal chart. Creativity and innovation. Creativity and innovation is a driven factor, is a point, catalyst for all his tremendous success as an entrepreneur. Rahu sits in 7th house of entrepreneur skill, his karmas and his status. And this is what the Jupiter is doing to him. Jupiter respecting 11th house. This shows that gains will come from creativity, intuitions, innovations. And where the innovations, what innovations will give him the maximum, growth. You look at it, Mars, which is the owner of 11th house of gains. This is the house of gains, okay, in cuspal chart right here. And this is the house of his job and his skill, which is also ruled by Mars. Mars makes this triangle. Gains will come from the 8th house matters. 8th is artificial intelligence. 8th is deep studies, deep learning, cryptocurrencies, deep transformational products, and the robotics. So this is where the gains of his life is coming. And 6 is his skill, his job, and that is a part of this particular gain in his life. Very strong chart. 12th is where Sun and Venus sits together. This is a house ruled by Venus. Venus sitting in another house. Space exploration. He will do many space exploration. 12th is all about space exploration. Money is coming. His accumulation of growth is all coming from the Moon and Mars aspecting each other. He's an aggressive man. He definitely is Mars in 8th house, commander-in-chief, okay, aggression. It's a strong, stubborn nature. Mars and Rahu sits together in the Lagna chart. And it also shows that he is dominant. He will dominate anything which is a matter of 8th house in the matters of finances and transformation. And his passion is all about creating businesses. Very strong chart. And if you see what Dasha is going through, he's going through Rahu and Venus Dasha. And you bring your career here and see all his planets turns green, right? So you see Rahu is everything green. Success from business, status, growth, innovation 511, 6 at 12 is the same combination what I drew. Mars is showing the growth will come from the 8th house of technology, entrepreneur skills, advanced technology, cryptocurrencies, artificial intelligence, biohealth and space exploration. And right, this combination is shown in the nakshatras also of the Rahu. And then Venus also very, very strong. All the same combinations of growth. 11th is house of growth. Wherever you see 10-11 comes, this is a victory sign for any planet. And all his planets, Ketu 10-11, victory 10-11, Sun 10-11, Venus 10-11, Moon all 11, Mars 10th house, strong, combination of status and growth. Rahu is showing it, Jupiter. Look at the Jupiter. Saturn is very good, Mercury is very good. So if the next dasha he will be in the Jupiter period, 2030 till 2046, is going to be one of the major dashas in his life. He will be the leader in anything what he touches, turn into gold. Literally, Jupiter is in the 5th house of creativity, innovation. So everything from innovation, creativity will be skyrocketing in his career. And he is a part of this government, 47th presidential government of United States. He is hand in hand with Donald Trump. And if you see Donald Trump's chart also, I've shared that chart multiple times. And you see Donald Trump is again a very strong leader, right? Sun and Rahu sitting in the 10th house of career, Jupiter respecting. This is the strongest leader you can ever have. And 8th is house of again technology, the deep science, innovation, transformation. This is ruled by Jupiter, and Jupiter sitting in 2nd house of money. Okay, money, and respecting the same house. So his money, his accumulation will also impact the whole country's economy and accumulation, that he will drive the money through the 8th house, technology, transformation, leadership. And see his 11th house is such a good, beautifully 3 planets, Saturn, Mercury, Venus sitting in here. And if you look at his dasha, the growth is tremendous. Jupiter dasha, that's the reason he became the president again, because strong Jupiter dasha is showing him the person who will win. Venus is also showing the same thing. Amazing chart, amazing chart. Sun is the leader of the solar system and Sun rules him. And Mars in 1st house is very dominating, very aggressive. And Sun in 10th house, this is the topmost sign of the yoga, which makes people a strong celebrity, strong successful. Now, whatever he has done in his life, whatever he does, people have a lot of prejudice and challenges or disliking. God has made him like this. Okay, you take it or you don't take it. Okay, if God has made him like this, the most powerful guy right now, why you feel bad about it? If you think that everything is done by God or everything happens with the will of God, then accept it. He's born in a rich, affluent family. He did everything to make money. He is very successful. He became the president 2nd time of United States. So what's wrong with that? He is getting everything from the universe. He survived that assassination attempt. So why feeling bad about it? If you believe in God, any God you worship, so God is making it happen. So believe in it's a God will, digest it, take it. But what is about to coming is the transformational changes. And I'm going to show you one more thing in the United States chart also, as I covered in my last video too. This is a solar returns chart of United States for 2026, 2025 and 2026. I'm going to go back and make one more time. So you see this is a period of July 2025 till July 2026 of United States. Ascendant Lord Venus sits in the 8th house of again transformation coming from deep technologies. Mining, excavation, biotech, nanotechnology, bitcoins, cryptocurrency and AI. 2nd house is house of stock markets or accumulation of your economy, your banking system, your money. Everything is aspected by 8th house Venus right in here. And Moon is aspecting back Venus. So this combination, Venus going into the 8th house, that the whole country will be in the matters of transformation, acting in the matters of transformation with strong Uranus sitting here. Uranus is rebellion, okay, rebel, some transformational changes, and aspected by Moon and Venus together. Again, if you are not investing in AI stocks, cryptocurrencies now, then this is the time. And you saw Bitcoins where it heading to. It's just because people know what is going to happen. Elon Musk and Donald Trump will make the most transformational changes in the foreign policy, military policy, innovation policy, scientific measures, and even the immigration policy of United States. And they will bring so much of transformational changes that they are going to have an eyeball competition with China, with other countries who are their enemies, even Russia, to strengthen themselves in the matters of technology. And you will see where the cryptocurrencies go, where the AI stocks will go, and where the other technology stocks will go, especially biotech also. Okay, so this is where if you are not investing in these stocks, you're missing out. And this is what I wanted to cover in this video. Now, second part of this video, I'm gonna cover about how to write a put options. If you are new to our channel and if you are not using our VIP indicators, I'm going to quickly show you that. So this is a VIP indicator which is giving you the buy signals right here and when to buy, when to sell. You see in here 1 hour chart Bitcoins. So if you enter a trade at this point 76,000, you would have closed this trade when the bottom indicator is turning red. So if this is the entry and this is the close, and then you can have joined again at the green sign here, and then you could have continued this wave and ended your trade here. Before the red sign came in, you ended your trade. You make money here at 76 level you entered, and then you sold it at 80, and then you enter again at 81, and you can sell it at the 89 level. So this is our indicator is showing you. Okay, and why it's showing waiting here? Because the last target it gave, it's waiting for the next bullish wave or the bearish wave to come to give you what is the next entry price, what should be the take profit, and what should be the stop loss for you. So if you're not using an indicator, you're missing out big thing. And this is based on machine learning algorithms. We're adding more algorithms to it and building more algorithms which can predict the intraday price movement and also the price movement for the next 4 days for any stock, any commodity, you know, be it Bitcoins, cryptocurrencies, or any stock. It can work on any stock. Let's say you want Nvidia, and I've been playing this Nvidia since, you know, last couple of days, and you can see that in 1 hour chart Nvidia, our last profit taking zone happened here. We entered this trade at the bullish sign, and here the profit taken happened. And then you can still play this game. It's not that you have to wait for another bullish sign here, because this is a bullish wave which is formed. Okay, it formed here. You exit, take profit here, and then you can wait for another bullish wave which started here, and then before this turns red, you stop, you close your trade. Okay, now the sideways trends are going on, and we are waiting for another big wave to follow. You see the green came here in the bottom indicator, but still we are waiting for the big green coming on this indicator, so that we know this wave is not a small wave, it is a very, very big wave to push towards. So here you can see my trading platform, Interactive Broker, and I'm using the paper trading account here just for this example, but we do this trade on the live trading almost every day. I'm going to pick Nvidia daily chart, and you see Nvidia is today at 148 level. Okay, 148. Now, first thing in your mind should come, if you have to buy, if you want to buy Nvidia, what will the price you are willing to pay for this stock? Okay, and again, you can go back to our VIP indicator just to see where the Nvidia stock is. The buy signal is coming, it is going bullish. Here you can see, since our indicator does not work on this platform, the 200-day moving average, 50-day moving average, and 9 days moving average is all bullish. Okay, so let's say 148 is the today's price. I feel in my mind, let's say that how I think that I can own this stock at 140 or less than this any day, because this stock is going to be bullish. Okay, anything 140 or less than 140 is the price I'm willing to buy this stock. Now, what you're not going to do is, you're not going to buy anything. Okay, what you do is, you come to this option chain here. You see, this is put and this is call option. and pick a price, say 140. Okay, so this is strike price 140, and you see 345. So if I sell this put option, let's click on this, I will get 345 in my pocket right now. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm saying I'm going to sell a put option at the 140 strike price, which will give me a healthy premium of 345. And this option is expiring in 10 days, November 22. Normally play options 10 to 15 days time frame. That is much better because the probability of going in this direction or that direction is much more easy to calculate. So 345 you pocket right now. And what you do is click on this T button and say check margin profile. So this is the naked put option where you will have to make sure that you have some balance. You see that this platform is saying that they want to keep $6,000 as your $6,000 as a margin, as a security when you run this trade, which is okay, right? Which is fine. Every platform shows you this. All you need to have that $6,000 in your account to run this trade. Now you see profit probability 76%. You get 345 right now as you sell it. Okay. And maximum losses will cover that. What does it mean? Now, the break even point, this is the most important factor you need to know, that the break even point is 136. Okay. That means if stock goes below 136, only then you are getting into the psychological losses. Otherwise, you will always be profit. If the stock continues to be above 136, 155, you pocket all the profit, all the 345 in your pocket. Now you can right click and execute this trade, and this will be going into the waiting. You can just do a limit price here, and then let me close this, and then this trade will be executed in few minutes whenever some buyers will buy this option. Now, what does it mean? Let's see that. Let's go over the scenarios. What will happen? So first scenario, I'm going to bring the NVIDIA chart here back. The first scenario is the stock remains above 135. Okay, on November 22nd, in 10 days, stock comes down a little bit, and then moves up. It is always above 136.55. Okay, how this is calculated? 136, 140 is a strike price minus the premium paid, which is 345. So the break even comes to 136.55 something, right? So if the price of the stock remains up above this, the option will expire worthless, and you keep your $345 in your pocket for one option contract. Okay, in 10 days. Now let's say the stock move to 135. Let's say that. Okay, now it's going against you. Okay, after on 22nd of November 2024, 10 days, which is after you write your put option, the stock price moved to, let's say, 135 or 134 or let's say 130. What will happen in this scenario is the brokerage, this platform will give you the stocks at the price of 140 minus the premium you collected, that is 345. So you will get the stocks at the price of 365.55. This in multiply by 100. So you will see 13,655 worth of stocks added in your portfolio. Okay, that means the other person who bought this option from you, he exercised the option, he or she, and now the stocks are being assigned to you. Now, what happened with this is you ended up getting stocks at 136 price, nothing to lose. And you can then wait for the stock price to move up and you sell it and make another profit, because $200, $300 worth of profit you already made, but you can make more profit by selling now covered calls, which I also have a video you can watch, or you wait for the stock price to move up because this is your asset. You got your asset. Okay, so you can wait for the price to go up and then sell it back to make profit. So what I'm saying is getting NVIDIA stock at 136.55 or lower is not a bad deal at all. We know it's bullish sign. Now you say, what about the stock comes to zero? Yes, it can, but the chances of it getting zero, it's 0.0000000 percentage. It's never happening. Okay. Even any stock like Nvidia cannot crash more than 20%, 30% worst case scenario. And this is the same percentage of when you drive a car and what is the percentage of your meeting with an accident. Even let's say the stock goes to zero. Let's say that, okay, you still will be assigned the stock at the price of 136. It is your asset. The moment stock goes back, you get your money back, right? So no stocks goes to zero, you know that. Again, understand the concept. You are selling a strike price of 140 because in your mind, you know, even if this trade goes against you, which is less than 20% chances that will go against you. And you can see the profit probability is shown here also. You see that? This is also showing you 76% is the chance of you will win this trade. 76%. And if you're using our VIP indicator also, you know that it's a bullish sign shown there. That means the Nvidia is bullish for the next 10 days, and you have 96% chance of winning this trade. Okay. So on a happy scenario, you get 345 in your pocket and you are a happy person. If you write 10 options like this, you make 3450 in 10 days. Okay. Worst case scenario, the stocks comes to 130. You are not losing anything, only psychological loss. You will end up getting the stocks in your portfolio for $136,500, means 100 stocks of Nvidia at the price of 136, which is your average buying price. Since you already got $4, $3.45 as a premium. So 140 minus 345 comes to 136.55. This is the average cost of your stock, which will be shown in your portfolio. That's all. And then once you get those stocks, you can write a covered call to make another money on it, or wait for the stock to go up and then you sell it and make money on it. So ultimately, you end up losing nothing because you get either the stocks assigned to you, which is your assets, or you get the $345 in your pocket and forget anything about it because the options will expire worthless. This is what the game changer, this is what the prudent and the professional traders does. So this is how you write the put option, and all you need to do is you need to have certain amount of balance in your account because it's a naked put. There's no security. The security is the margin what the platform provides you. So they will hold your 6,000. They will not allow you to play another trade until this trade ends up. So this is all going to happen. Okay, and no stocks comes to zero. Have you ever seen any stock like especially Nvidia will come to zero? It's not possible, right? So let's not talk about that. So whatever price it ends up, you still are buying at the price of 136. If the prices go, if the prices go below 136, only then you've been assigned the stocks. Otherwise, you will never be assigned the stocks. You will keep the premium in your pocket forever. And you can do this again and again and again and again, every week, every week, every week. Just by watching this video, I tell you, if you're paying us $60 for the VIP indicator, that $60 is I have earned through you. Okay, it's not a gimmick. I'm not showing you a magic pill of being a millionaire, trillionaire. I'm showing you how practically you can work, do your karmas and actions, and follow me and my predictions. Show your trust and devotion towards me, and I'm the one who's putting this money in your pockets. And all you're giving me is a 1 cup of coffee every day. Okay, so here it is again. You see the Nvidia stock in a daily chart. It's very bullish, and playing a put option on this is a prudent technique. You can play on Apple, Amazon, any stock you want, but when you see the stock is moving upwards, then you know that if it is a stock 148 today, I don't mind buying it at 136. The worst case scenario, if the put option I'm selling goes against me. So my dear friends, I'll put some more videos about it, but understand the concept, watch this video again and again, run the options, play the options on your paper trading platform so that you know what happens at the end of the day. Okay, do not buy and sell, do not buy options, always sell options. That's how you take the premium inside. And then on the paper money, you will see when the options go in your favor, you take money. It's simple science. But when they go against you, what happens? You will only learn when you will be assigned the stock. Then you will see that the stock is assigned to you at this price. Now, how you turn it into again profit? You can sell covered calls now because stock is lying in your portfolio. It's your asset. Now, selling covered call is much easier. You don't even need a margin for that because it's your asset for whom, against what you're writing the covered calls. Watch the video of covered calls. I have it, I'll put in the description below. And then you will learn both the strategies. Having stock, covered calls, take the premium. Not having stocks, write the put calls. You will get the premium. And in case, worst case scenario, the stock goes downwards, you will end up getting the stock. And that stock, again, write the covered call. So this is the loop you need to do again and again and again. With one contract, $300, 10 contract, $3,000. 1 week, $3,000, 4 weeks, $12,000. Do a mathematics. That's all. Okay, my dear friends, astrologer Mohnish once again. I shall see you in my next video. Send me your love, your blessings, and your devotion. Join our platform to make money, learn trading, and also live a successful, happy, and prosperous life. I shall see you in my next video very soon. Thank you.